And then it happened. The machine whirred, and suddenly a bright flash filled the giant screen. Scientists gasped. Could this be the moment they'd been waiting for? Was this really the God particle? After countless experiments and years of research, could they finally prove the theory of the Higgs boson? Let's find out! Welcome to my channel. And today, let's find out what the God particle actually is. Friends, you all know the science says the universe came into existence around 13 billion years ago, after a massive explosion called the Big Bang. But have you ever wondered, after such a powerful blast, when everything could scatter like light into nothingness, how did stars, planets, and even we humans come into existence? Why didn't everything just disappear into thin air? What force brought all this into being? In 1964, a British scientist named Peter Higgs presented a strange and astonishing idea. The universe is filled with a special field, like a web that traps particles and gives them mass. And it is this mass that allows matter to exist. Without it, particles would drift around like light, without weight, and the universe would never have formed. According to Higgs, if this special field didn't exist, there would be no Earth, no sky, no humans, nothing at all. But this was just a theory. For 50 years, scientists around the world tried to prove it, but they could not find any solid evidence of what exactly gave rise to the universe. Finally, in July 2012, in Geneva, Switzerland, the Large Hadron Collider LHC project was launched for this purpose. A 27 kilometers long underground tunnel was built to house one of the most powerful and expensive machines in human history. When scientists began operating the LHC, fear spread across the world. Some experts warned that such powerful collisions could create a black hole capable of swallowing the entire Earth. Ordinary people were terrified, thinking it might be the end of the world. But despite all the risks, scientists went ahead with the experiment. In this machine, particles were accelerated close to the speed of light and smashed together, recreating the conditions of the early universe. The world watched in fear and astonishment. Then on July 4th, 2012, scientists achieved one of the greatest milestones in the history of science. They announced the discovery of the particle famously nicknamed the God particle, the Higgs boson. This subatomic particle is believed to be the reason behind the creation of the universe, the key to why particles have a mass and why matter exists at all. For 50 years, scientists had been searching for this elusive particle, and its discovery shook the entire world. Some hailed it as the greatest scientific achievement of all time, while others went so far as to say that humankind had come closer than ever to unlocking the secrets of God. But friends, do you know why was this particle called the God particle? You may have heard about it, but if you haven't, let me tell you. In the early 1990s, Nobel Prize-winning physicist Leon Lederman was working with colleagues to complete a book on the hunt for the Higgs boson. The book was titled The God Particle. If I'm not mistaken, the name was given because finding this particle was proving to be an extremely difficult task. But do you know who deserves the most credit for the discovery of this particle? It was Peter Higgs. He was a brilliant and eccentric scientist who dedicated his life to understanding the fundamental laws of the universe. A was born in 1935 in the UK and studied at Cambridge University. From an early age, he was fascinated by physics and mathematics and went on to become one of the leading experts in the field. However, Higgs was not interested in fame or fortune and lived a very simple life. He preferred to spend his time in his office working on his research rather than socializing with other scientists. Despite his eccentricities, Higgs was a brilliant scientist and made significant contributions to our understanding of particle physics. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2010 for his work on the Higgs Boson. But sadly, Peter Higgs passed away in 2021 at the age of 88. He left behind a legacy of scientific excellence and a better understanding of the universe. Friends, you may have heard about Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. It revolutionized our understanding of gravity, space, and time. But according to this theory, there is a small missing piece: dark energy. This mysterious force makes up 95% of the universe, yet we know very little about it. Scientists believe that dark energy could hold the key to some of the biggest mysteries of the cosmos, such as the acceleration and expansion of the universe and the nature of the Big Bang. Despite its elusive nature, scientists are determined to uncover the secrets of dark energy and its role in the universe. Through experiments and observations, we may one day be able to understand this mysterious force and its impact on the world around us. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about new videos. Thanks for watching.